Deciding which heating solution is best for your home can be difficult. Most of the market options, such as hot air or water heaters, heat primarily through convection, leading to big problems such as dry air, allergies from increased particulate movement, large temperature gradients, and inefficient heating of surfaces, all of which are negatively perceived by the human body. Now with Laminaheat's PowerBoard, say goodbye to all these problems. Our PowerBoard is a heated and insulated 12.5mm board with a unique surface coating making it virtually indistinguishable from a standard gypsum panel. The PowerBoard incorporates our novel 220-volt carbon fiber heating film, making it the perfect choice to heat safely with radiant heat. And when we say radiant heat, we mean just like the sun. With a surface temperature of 50 degrees Celsius, the panels radiate the perfect amount of heat, which in turn heats up the surfaces below, allowing a comfortable environment to be reached quicker than pure convection heating methods. The installation of our PowerBoards is as easy as 1, 2, 3. We've designed our PowerBoards to be essentially plug and play. For installation, a contractor simply needs to take the board, screw it into the hanging profiles of a suspended ceiling, and connect the cabling to a cable harness. Then, prior to completion of ceiling installation, connect the cable to a relevant thermostat, and then you're done. Oh, and our heaters only need to be installed in about 20% of the ceiling surface area to provide a comfortable heating effect. Once installed, simply turn on the system and enjoy your comfortable radiant heat. Laminaheat, putting heat where it is needed.